Hey, if you wonder how you can check if someone used your Windows 11 PC, so all you have to do is just to click on the start in the taskbar, and then you'll have to go into the control panel. So click on the search and input the control panel phrase. There we go. Now from all of the settings, you will have to navigate into the Windows tools and open them. If you cannot find it, just be sure that you got the view by large icons. So in the most cases, you will probably get the category, but you'll have to go into the large icons and select the Windows tools. Now from here, select Event Viewer, click on it 2 times with the left mouse button quickly, and now you will have to select the Windows logs. So click on this arrow to open other options and select System. Now from here, click and hold with the left mouse button on this line to get this list a little bit bigger. And now select date and the time with the left mouse button to sort these events by date and the time. Just wait for it because your PC is actually storing all of these events back even for like 5-6 months. And then click on it one more time. And now what we are searching for. As you can see from here, we got a lot of events, but probably you are remember when you turn off your PC or when you turn it on, right? So in my case, I know that yesterday I was like going to sleep around 5 a.m. and I turned off my PC around 4 a.m. So in this time, I can scroll down and take a look for some details. As you can see here, I've got information. When I select the last usage information, I've got this info. The operating system is shutting down at the system time. So it means that actually since the 4 a.m., nobody was using my PC until the 1, almost 2 p.m. But there was also me. I just turned on this PC at this time. When you select this one, the first event, you can also find this information. The operating system start at the system time. So you are just looking simply for the kernel general events. That's actually called source. And here we can actually find all of this information about if someone turn on or turn off your PC. You've got also the kernel boot, but that's something different. So yeah, that's all. That's how we can check it. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.